Right, our laing is now ready to serve. Alrighty. Cook with love. It's so creamy and yummy. Special laing! I'll show you step by step kung paano ko ginawa ang special laing. What makes it special? Because this is the original recipe of my dad, Juan Tevar. To my channel! May bago na naman ako ibabahagi sa inyo na pwede mo ihanda sa iyong pamilya at pwede mo rin pagkakitaan. Special laing! Thank you so much guys for trusting in me and for believing in me and for subscribing my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be notified of the upcoming videos. Alright, a special shout out to all my friends and subscribers who have believed in me, who have trusted in me, and thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel. And special shout out also to my Tevar's family in Carcar City, Cebu, and my San Diego family in Malolos, Bulacan. Guys, always keep safe, especially to my mom, Teresita Tevar, Mom, please always keep safe there. And to my father-in-law, Benny San Diego, Tate, please always keep safe. Alright, I love you guys and I see you. This is the complete ingredients that we're going to use para sa ating special laing. Alright, okay. First, we have our onion, or sibuyas. We have our garlic. And then we also have our ginger. And we also have our marinated meat. This one is chicken. And then I also have my bagoong. And I also have, meron akong dilis. Ayan, fried dilis. Ayan, okay? And then ito ay taba ng baboy, pang toppings. Okay? It's like a chicharon, something like that. And then this is a dried shrimp or hibi sa atin. And then we also have Siling Labuyo, and then patis. And then of course, ang ating bida sa araw na ito ay ang ating dried Taro Leaves. Ayan, okay. And then ang ating gata. Alright, yung ating coconut cream. Yan ang mga kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating special laing. Stay tuned for the actual procedure. Okay, first is magpapakulo po tayo ng ating water para po ay ating i-blanch yung ating taro leaves. Okay? Okay, sa ating kumukulo na water, we'll just add on our dried taro leaf. Ayan. Dahon ng gabi. Yan. Okay. This recipe ay nakuha ko sa aking Bicolano na tatay. Yan, yung aking tatay na Bicolano. Si Juan Tevar ay from Catanduanes. Mahilig sa maanghang. Okay? You just let it soak. Right, after a few minutes, yan po ang itsura niya. Lumabas yung pagka-green ng inyong ng ating taro leaf. Okay? Yan, para yung other side naman. That's good already. Alright, then we just drain it. Okay.
We just let it drain. Yan, hayaan lang natin siya. And then set aside natin siya. And then we just proceed with the next procedure. Alright. Alright. Just a little bit of oil. Alright, we'll just put in our onion, our sibuyas. Smells good. Then we have to add on our ginger. Ginger, just let it incorporate with the onion. And then we just put on our garlic. Our garlic, we just leave it until a bit of golden brown or light brown per se. Ready. Smells so good. Give it a mix a bit. Next to this is ilagay natin yung ating meat. This one, ang ginamit ko ngayon ay marinated na chicken. But nevertheless, you could always use pork. Ayan. Mas masarap din dito ang baboy. Kaso ito lang yung available na meron ako ngayon. So ito lang yung ginamit ko muna. Alright. But masarap din ito sa inyong laing. I've tried it several times, ang aking chicken. You just need to cut it a bit smaller. And then we just leave it for a few minutes. Let it cook yung ating meat. Right? Okay, I hope you guys follow. Then, looks like I have cooked na ang ating meat. So we just add on our dried shrimp. Ayan, yan yung binabad natin kanina. Tinanggal ko lang yung water. And then, we just add on. Hibi. Ayan. Mostly sa amin sa Bisaya, ang tawag dyan, hibi. Okay? It will add more flavor and at the same time, it will add bango ng inyong laing. Okay? Kailangan lang niyang ibabad muna sa water kasi matigas siya. Since dried shrimp siya, so matigas. So para lumambot ng konti, so kaya binabad natin sa water. Yan po ang reason ba't natin binababad. Okay? Yan. We just leave it for a bit. We just give it a mix. And then we just add on our bagoong. Smells really, really good. Ready? Okay. Right? We slowly add our Taro Leaves. Ayan. Ito yung pakuluan na natin kanina. Okay? Let it soak. Ayan. Okay? And then we add our coconut cream. Yan, this one is 3 cups. So, ang gagawin ko lang ay idahan-dahan nating ilagay. Okay? We just put in about 2 cups. Right? Then we just add on later yung ating last na cup ng ating coconut cream. Make sure na yung apoy ay low. Yan. Kasi ang pagluluto nito ay dapat slow fire. Alright, after a few minutes, yan na po ang itsura ng ating laing. Okay? We just mix a bit. Don't over mix it para wag kumate yung inyong taro leaf. Ayan. Yung inyong laing, wag hindi makate. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. Okay. Hintayin lang natin siyang maluto ng konti. But in the meantime, we just add on our fish sauce. Okay? Just bit by bit. Yeah, let's check. How was it? Mmm. Wow. So yummy. Very yummy. I'm not kidding. Right? Then we just add on our last part of our coconut cream. Okay? Kumbaga sa atin, ito yung pinakakakanggata. Then hintayin lang natin na lumabas yung sariling oil ng coconut. Ayan. Normally, lalabasin niya sa mga gilid. Ayan. Okay? Okay? Right guys, so after a few minutes, yan na po ang itsura ng ating laing. Ayan. Alright. Ayan, luto na siya. Marami na siyang oil dyan sa gilid. Ayan. Right, then we just put on a little bit of our dilis. Yan, yung ating fried dilis. Alright. And then, yung ating chicharon, yung ating taba ng baboy. Right, and then we add on also our Siling Labuyo. Right. Ready. Yan. Yan na po ang ating special laing. And I hope you guys follow. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. Yes. And then I'm ready for plating. Alrighty. Thank you so much. Right. Our laing is now ready to serve. Alrighty. Cook with love. It's so creamy and yummy.
Hi guys, thank you so much again. This is Chris, your Kuya Panisoy. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you liked it and I hope you get something out from that video guide. And I hope to see you again next time. Please do not forget to comment, like, and share! Always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Always wear your sweetest smile to bring more positivity in life. Alright, I'll see you again next time. I'll see you. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.